I bought a Ryobi weed eater at a yard sale. Hopefully we can see if we can keep from buying a new battery. Got your tamper-proof tool set here. Torx head with a hole in the center. Five screws, don't forget this one. Ooh, complicated. Here's a Ryobi 18 volt lithium-ion battery pack. It would not charge on the original charger. Some of the YouTube guys had suggested to charge on these terminals, which I found to be unsuccessful. What I did was for a couple of minutes use my 12 volt car battery to charge on these two terminals, as you see here. Flashed it over, apparently it worked. Here we go. Looks like it's charging. Hope it works out okay. Well, looks like it's done. That's all. Thanks for watching.